નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Student, today we start our revision work with standard 6 and our subject is social science.
Now choose the correct answer. First question. Which planet in the solar family is unique? So first A, Jupiter, B, Saturn, C, Earth or D, Venus. So answer will come our Earth. So Earth is the planet in the solar system, is the unique. Second is how many main spheres does the Earth have? How many main spheres does the Earth have? There are option is 4, 2, 5 or 3. So answer is 4. Which type of main sphere does have? So there are, first one is lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. So answer will come 4. Third is, what is the meaning of litho? There are option is musical instrument. Litho means musical instrument. B, soil. C, rock. D, pressure. So what answer will come? Answer is B, soil. What percent of surface of the earth does the lithosphere occupy? What percent of surface of the earth does the lithosphere occupy? So answer is option A is 97, B is 71, C is 22% and D is 29%. So the percent of surface of the earth the lithosphere occupies, so answer will come D, 29%. Fifth one, how much temperature in Celsius does it increase for the depth of 1 kilometer in general? In the blanks also, this fill in the blanks came. How much temperature in Celsius does it increase for the depth of 1 kilometer in general? Option A is 45%, B is 20 Celsius, C is 30 Celsius and D is 15 Celsius. So answer will come C, 30 Celsius. Sixth is, what percentage of surface of the earth does the hydrosphere occupy? What percent of the surface of the earth does the hydrosphere occupy? So there is answer is A, 71%, B is 97%, C is 68% and D is 78%. So what answer will come? Answer will come A, 71%. How many kilometers long are the deep and vast valley found at the bottom of the ocean? So how many kilometers long are the deep and vast valley? We are talking regarding about valley found at the bottom of the ocean. In the ocean, how many deep? We can see the valley at the bottom of the ocean. So answer is A, 8 to 9. Sorry, option is A, 8 to 9, B is 9 to 10, C is 10 to 11 and D is 12 to 13. So answer will come C, 10 to 11%. Now our next question is, answer the following question. So let's start with our question. First one is importance of atmosphere. So what is atmosphere? The sphere of various gases of extending up to the approximately 850 to 1000 kilometer above the surface of the earth. That one is known as the atmosphere. So here also we can talk the atmosphere is important in the following ways. How the atmosphere is important. So first one is, what is the meaning of absorb? The ozone gas absorbs the strong ultraviolet sun rays and protect the living organism of the earth from the solar heat. So here means observe. Absorb means drink in. Absorb, if you put the water on the land and if you put dry cloth on it, so all the water of the land, which is that one is the cloth will absorb. It means the water what is on the cloth, so that one is drink the cloth. So the ozone gas. So what is the work of ozone gas? Ozone gas absorb the strong violet, ultraviolet sun rays and protect from the living organism of the earth from the solar heat. So what is the solar heat? It is comes from us. So ozone gas absorb all the heat from the ultraviolet sun rays and protect of living organism. Second is the dust particles. Particles means small pieces of matter. Small pieces of matter. That one is known as the particles. The dust particles in the atmosphere spread the sunlight in all directions. In all directions the dust particles spread. So there is no sudden brightness on the earth at sunrise. So the dust particle of the atmosphere spread. So what happened at the sunlight in all directions? So there is not suddenly sun rays in the morning on the earth, and it does not get dark suddenly after sunset. So after sunset also there is no darkness. Suddenly it is not happen. So it is done by step. So that's why, and it does not get dark suddenly. So after sunset, it is not suddenly, it is immediately darkness because of the dust particle atmosphere spread the sunlight in all directions. The dust particles reflect the sunlight, so we get sunshine. So what is the dust particles? So the dust particles atmosphere spread, and what happened? The sunlight in all directions. So it is all of the direction. So that's why in the morning it is not suddenly in the morning there is a sunrise, because it is bright on the sunlight, it is no sudden. And also at the sunset time same thing also, it is not suddenly darkness. So that's why the dust particles reflect means to give same the thing. So the dust particles reflect the sunlight, so we get sunshine. Dust particles also help in building clouds. So the dust particles also help us to building the clouds, which are the atmosphere. It is including in the atmosphere also including. Now third one is, we can hear sound only due to the atmosphere. What type of sound we can hear? So it is only due to the atmosphere. The atmosphere reflect means to come back. The atmosphere reflect the electromagnetic wave of sound and light. So radio and television transmission are possible. So how can it is reflect and it is work? So the atmosphere reflect means to go back. So it is bend and go back to the electromagnetic waves. So that's why the sound and the light which it come to us. So that's why the radio and television transmissions are possible. So so we can hear the radio, voice and television transmission are possible because of the only atmosphere. Fourth one is due to friction with the atmosphere. Friction means such things of two bodies. Due to the friction, the atmosphere, the heavenly bodies like matters are burned and destroyed. So because of the friction means to such motion of two things. So because of the two things, motion of the two things of the motion at the atmosphere, heavenly bodies like which are bodies like matters are burnt and destroyed. Burnt means sandwiched and destroyed means to be completed. So due to the friction with the atmosphere, heavenly bodies like matter and also are burnt and destroyed. So because of this, they are burnt and also destroyed, means completely, totally finished. Thus, the atmosphere serves as a natural shield for the earth. What is the meaning of natural shield? Means protection, defense. So this is the reason. Because of atmosphere, this one is known as the natural shields for the earth.
Thank you for joining us.